Hi, my name is Glenn,
My name is Andy.
and this is our final project.
ASCIIFY. So how it works is that we use a library that we found on GitHub called Image to ASCII, and it takes a bitmap and it converts it into ASCII characters.
So to show how this works, here's a demo of our app. When you click the camera button, what it's going to do is enable the camera on your phone. You can take a picture, and it will put it in there. And then when you hit change, it will change the picture into an ASCIIfied version of the picture. So I worked on mostly the front end of the app, which mostly comprises of two buttons right now. It is the camera button and the change button. So the camera button will link to the camera, the phone's camera, and it will take a picture. And when you do that, the picture then gets saved as an image view object, and then you can use the change button to then change the image into the text view, and then get it to display the ASCII picture, essentially. There were certain other functionalities that we wanted for the app, which included a load, which would load pictures from your phone's gallery, and then you could then ASCIIfy those pictures. And there was also a function called Save Image, which would save the converted image to your gallery. But unfortunately, those are not working. You can see the remains of the code for them here. In the future, I'd like to try and get load and save working, but for now, it's just camera and change.
So I mainly work on the back end, which was just calling the library and passing in a bunch of parameters to say how we wanted the conversion to go. And so this is the library repository on GitHub that we used. And so some challenges I ran into was initially the quality was very bad because we were doing a color conversion, but the way the library handles the color ASCII conversion, the quality is really bad, so we decided against that and just did black and white instead. And also, our ASCII conversion was initially shrunk by a factor of 2 for some reason, so I had to scale it by 2, and it was also really big, so I had to scale it down. And I had to use a monospace font so everything fit in a rectangle on the text view. And so to improve on this in the future, I guess we could make our own library that did color conversion for us because the library that we used didn't handle it that well. So that's a wrap. ASCIIFY.